Booming. May good morning pa sa si Booming. Ito ba? So let them wipe or wash their face para alam din nila kung paano tanggalin ang kanilang good morning sa eyes. This can also help for them to clean themselves or to wash their face. Kain. May by the way, ang ulam ni Booming ay chicken adobo na medyo mayroong konti na ham. So, yun lang. Bye-bye!